It's your boy saying JOLY back again with another video. This time this video is about back, lats, and anything posterior to the body. So again, with this the goal was to make sure that you guys have a beginner's guide to this back day, and I kind of prepared 5 workouts for y'all. But before we get started, I have to speak about the verse of the week. It's founded in Romans chapter 5 verse 3 to 5, where it says, and not only this, but we also celebrate in our tribulation, knowing that tribulation brings about perseverance, and perseverance proving character, and proving character hope, and hope does not disappoint, because the love of God has been poured out within our hearts through the Holy Spirit who has been given to us. So man, this verse means so much to me, and it means so much to what I do in the gym. You guys have seen when I've been struggling. You guys have seen when I've been weak. And honestly guys, if you look at my old videos on my back day, you could see that I put on some size. Your boy put on some size. I realized I reached a point of weakness within my journey, and I had to, you know, again, I got a trainer. He's been helping me out with these workouts. Shout out to my boy. And on top of that trainer that I'm paying for, yes, I'm paying for, because sacrifice is virtuous when it comes to achieving said goal. So I'm gonna do what I gotta do to make it happen. And you know, I'm learning that through this suffering that I'm starting to build a new character. I'm completing my sets, and I'm making sure that everything I do and all the things that I do are making it so that I could see a different version of me at the end of the day. My strength has been going up, and I've been eating some protein, and I've been getting some carbs. So everything has been going due to the thanks of the blessings of God, man. So I'm reaping what I'm sowing, and I'm going to move forward. And again, I hope you guys see more and more as I move forward. Again, I appreciate y'all. I hope you guys enjoy these 5 workouts, and I hope that you guys are able to take these beginner 5 back workouts and add them into your regimen when it comes to lifting. I'll catch y'all. Oh, and by the way, I hope you guys enjoyed that clip. There's more to come. My mindset's a bit crazy. I got some stuff in there. I got some imagination, so I'm gonna bring some to you. All right. For the first workout, what we're doing is we're doing pull-ups, and I'm talking about wide grip pull-ups. Again, if you're gonna work out your back, it's the best workout, because again, it's all about natural calisthenics, body weight. That's the best way to work out your body and make sure that you get some of that nice finesse, if you know what I'm saying. But at the same time too, it prepares your body for the rest of the workout. So you're gonna do about 4 sets of these for 10 reps, and you don't need to do anything crazy. Slow and steady is what's gonna win the race. So continue doing this for 4 sets, 10 reps. That's your first exercise for the beginner's manual in our journey to our back day. Let's go. Second exercise. What we're going to be doing for our second exercise is we're going to be doing seated cable rows. Yes, seated with the cable in the row, if you know what I'm saying. Row your boat gently down the stream. I don't know the rest of that song because I didn't pay attention much in kindergarten or whatever class that I learned that song. But you're going to do about, again, 4 sets, and you're going to do that for 10 reps. And make sure that's challenging. Make sure you flexing, and make sure that blood is circulated in that posterior chain, if you know what I'm saying. Next exercise, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing the flat bench row. Yes, another row your boat, this time with a dumbbell. And the whole point of this is to make sure that you contract and make sure that when you pull back that you're getting all that blood circulating once again. And again, make sure that you're feeling it. You want to make sure that you feel like you got wings. And I ain't talking about Red Bull. You know, Red Bull got you wings, so you're going to feel that you got a little bit of wings. And that's how you know that you're contracting and holding your pauses at the right place. Do them nice and slow, because slow and steady is how you're going to win the race. Forgot to mention for the last one, but again, that's also going to be 4 sets and 10 reps. But for this exercise, what we're doing here is the lat pull downs. For the lat pull downs, what you're going to do for this one is, again, 4 sets, and you're going to do, again, 10 reps. Again, they have to be a challenging 10 reps, and you got to make it work. No matter what you do, got to make sure that the prosperity is there with your motivation. Keep pushing forward, and never look back. Just keep pushing forward. Oh, and yes, the T-bar row. If you have one of these in your gym, you want to make sure you load them nice and I say nice and thick. When I mean thick, I mean add the weight. You know, I'm talking about like a triple size Baconator with extra cheese, if you know what I'm saying. You're gonna make them thick. You gotta put some weight on that. You're gonna hit it for 8 reps, and you want to kind of end your back day with this if you can. If your gym's packed, kind of try to save it for mid to last, but again, you want to hit this again for 4 sets, this time 8 reps. Make sure that you feel the struggle by 6 reps. You want to make sure that when you're doing the struggle for 6 reps that you feel like you're about to see Jesus when you reach that 6th rep, and after that you move forward to the next. Once you do that, you'll make sure that you complete the mission and make it through. And that's all you gotta do for these workouts and these exercises. I hope you guys enjoy, and again, part 2 will come, part 3 will come. The future is filled with limitless possibilities, and I'm here to deliver on all the content. So welcome to my channel, and I hope y'all enjoy. All right, catch y'all.